This is a little song I think originally written by Leonard Cohen Song. A song I didn't quite like mucking around with, called Bird on a Wire. Like a bird on a wire, like a drunk midnight quiet, I'll try in my way to be free. Like a worm on a hook, like a knight in some old-fashioned book. Try to see all my ribbons free. And if I had been unkind, I hope that you can just let it go by. And if I have been untrue, I hope you know it's never meant to you. Like a baby stillborn, like a beast with his horn, I've torn everyone, reach out for me. But I swear by this song, you know that I've done wrong. I will make it someday I'll lean in his wooden crutch. He said to me, dude, you must not ask for so much. And a pretty woman in a darkened door, she tried to me, she tried to cry to me, she cried to me when I'd ask for more, ask for more. Like a bird on a wire, like a drunk midnight quiet, I've tried in my way to be free. I've tried in my way to be free. Yeah, I've tried.